It just not work at Inotics. I was recruited as a technical writer and now an e-learning course developer, but better known as a professor, a baker and a chef, thanks to the community partnership initiatives here at Inotics.
Inotics is different from other IT companies. Here you are encouraged to come up with business solutions. If your solutions are good, company will help you implement them.
Inotics believes and has institutionalized diversity and inclusion practices. What's more encouraging is the healthy parity of women leaders in the organization and the various opportunities we get to grow and thrive.
I think it's the people that makes Inotics a great place to work. It's inspiring to see diverse people work with passion towards a common goal. At Inotics, I work, I learn, I grow.
The learning and development opportunities have a phenomenal impact on my career. At every turn, I have opportunities to take on projects that has challenged my limits and enhanced my expertise.
If you ask me, I would say our work culture is what makes Inotics a great place to work. The business solutions we provide demands the right mix of technical and domain expertise. Inotics provides us with a conducive environment for continuous learning, which helps us to be up to date with the latest industry trends.
All work and no play makes anybody a dull guy, and it's often difficult to find an organization that thinks the same way. At Inotics, it's not just about getting the job done, but there's a whole lot of fun activities too, like cricket, something I'm extremely passionate about.
I joined as a data warehouse developer, evolved into a data architect, and I'm charged up to be a data scientist now. Love my job more than ever.
I've been with Inotics for 2 years now. What's really heartening is there's room to make mistakes and learn from them. The people here are not judgmental at all. The culture here is very open. The best part is I've made amazing friends in this place.
Our open work culture keeps me motivated to deliver excellence in everything I take on. It is a place of limitless possibilities, and undoubtedly there is a lot of fun at work. With almost a decade here, Inotics has become a part of my life.
The company enables you to create as well as work on world-class technology products which create tremendous value for our business. With innovation-driven technology product development, Inotics gives the cutting edge which our business needs.
There's a balanced focus between clients and employees' growth here. With immense opportunities like APAC mentoring, Code Fest, innovation challenges and technical events through centers of excellence that shapes individuals like me, I definitely wouldn't have asked for more.
In Inotics, I really enjoy working with the young talent that we have. The kind of exciting ideas that they bring in challenges the existing processes and enables innovation. You don't get that kind of exposure anywhere else. I think that's what makes Inotics a truly great place to work.
At Inotics, there are no barriers. I relish the freedom of thought, expression and interaction. Though I'm fairly new to the organization, my views are received and respected with openness. And in my team, work or fun, we're all in it together.